This video will show you how to create an international SRF. Once you've logged into dxship.com and have selected your recipient, click Next, and you'll see the following page. This is the Shipment Contents Detail page. This is where you will define the contents of your package or packages for the commercial invoice. Now, unlike DX Legacy, you are not responsible for printing and affixing a commercial invoice to your package. That process will now be managed by the mail center. So the only thing that you're responsible for is to define the contents of your packages and make sure that that's accurate. Now, this pop-up window you see here contains information on how to fill out this page, and it's accessible by clicking on Contents Help down below here. What that page is asking you to do is look at the top row, and the only thing you need to fill in on the top row if your shipment requires additional coverage. If so, you'll enter the value in the declared value field. If you're only shipping documents, move your pointer over to the Documents Only and check that box. Everything else can be left blank. The next thing you need to focus your attention on is the actual description of the contents of your package. And anything that is pink needs to be filled in. So in this case, we're going to ship some t-shirts. And so here I'm going to indicate the number of t-shirts that I have. Now you'll notice as soon as I clicked the quantity, another line item appeared below, and that's for your convenience if you have multiple items that you need to define for this shipment. If you don't, that's fine, you can just leave it blank. So the item description is t-shirts, and then you tab over to the weight field. Now most people aren't going to know what the weight is, so you just guess at it, and it's really just for customs purposes that they want a weight in there. Value, you should know, so whatever your t-shirts are valued at, I'll put a value of $10 in. And then I'll tab to the next field. You'll notice that the total field automatically calculates the amount based upon the quantity that you see there. The next thing you need to focus your attention on is the duty paid by. It's defaulted to shipper, but if the recipient is responsible for the duties and taxes, you'll select that option. For the shipment, we'll leave it as shipper. Okay, now we've defined our contents for the items in this package, and you can continue to next. Here you'll validate the billing information that will be assigned to this shipment. There's only one service that's available for international packages, so that's International Express, so you don't have to make any changes there. If you want to enter some additional shipping notes, you would enter that information here. So I'm just going to click on Next. Validate the information for your shipment, and if everything looks acceptable, click Next. And the next thing that will happen is the application will create your shipping request form. There it is. I will click on Print to print it out and affix it to my package for delivery down to the mailroom. Click Done, and you'll be brought back to the Prepare Express shipment page ready for your next shipment.